Kambaii Innovation, a part of Center for Robotic Innovation and Development USA, that is CRID USA, is a platform for innovators. Our goal is to create an ecosystem for innovators in Bangladesh where they can shape their ideas into reality. We help them connect with the right professionals to get assistance regarding legal, financial, training, product designing, prototyping, and accessing makerspace. In short, all that it takes to bring their creation to marketplace. We have successfully completed our first season of reality show on robotics with 30 million views per episode. We have helped innovators to build more than 500 robotic devices. Our mission is to energize the future generation to study robotics as well as support and complement the STEM program. Our main goal is to promote robotics and create a comprehensive platform with a total support system for the young innovators to be there for them from square one. We have created this program to connect innovators, investors, mentors, entrepreneurs, donors, and manufacturers together where they can work to develop new products and services to improvise human lives. We empower the young dreamers to transform their ideas into reality with the aid of technology. Using TV shows and competitions, we motivate the high school and college students and increase their passion for high-tech. We provide the basic building blocks that make it easier for them to realize their potentials. With exciting programs and innovation assistance, we inspire the youth to get into technology education to be better prepared for tomorrow. We have also established Kambaii education platform in our ecosystem where the teachers, students, and guardians will be able to work and learn together. Here, the institutions will be able to register on our platform and manage their teachers and students. The teachers will be able to create classes, submit course materials, manage their students, and conduct online classes and exams. Our valuable guardians will be able to see the progress report of their child, and if needed, they will also be able to contact the course teachers. Students will be able to access the course materials at any time and will also be able to attend their classes online. We believe in our children, and we need to nurture our youngsters with proper information, tools, training, and education so that they can flourish their creativity and pave a path to success. We believe that every idea is important. Every problem from our daily lives gives us an opportunity for great innovation, and that is why we are working to build bridges between innovators and entrepreneurs. Everyone counts. So let us empower through technology and turn ideas into reality. Kambaii with double I.